Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to edit your custom dictionary in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge web browser if it's not already open, and you want to select the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of the browser. Just go ahead and left click on that, and go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select languages. And then on the right side, you want to go and modify your dictionary. So scroll down and select customize dictionary on the right side. At this point, go ahead and enter in a custom word you want to add in here. And then you would select add word. And if you ever want to remove any custom words from your dictionary, you can just click the little X next to that word and it would delete it from the customized dictionary. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.